Hey guys, trying to stay normal, doing the Rockwool insulation. One of the things that I would mention about this is you need one of these N95 respirators because the particles that come off of the Rockwool, the dust can irritate your lungs. So you definitely want to wear that. It's not just for coronavirus anymore. And also, I'd just like to point out that what's holding this in place right now is nothing. It's friction fit. So there's no battens on any of this up here either. That's one of the things that's beautiful about this stuff. It is kind of slightly squishy. The ComfortBoard 80 is what we're working with here. Wrapping the entire outside in 2 inches of insulation. And it friction fits very well. If you have stuff like a window and a foundation wall to fit between, it'll fit right in there and squeeze in, and it doesn't go anywhere. Also, it's kind of heavy, so it sits really well. If you just put it up there, if I was to put a piece right on the lip there of the last one I just installed and leave it, it won't just pick up from some tiny bit of wind and fly away. We have a video forthcoming. I just need some time to get in and quarantine myself with my editing station to edit it. So you'll see that coming out soon. Stay tuned.